Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple cider donuts. They're donuts that are made from concentrated apple cider and covered with powdered sugar that's mixed with other spices. They are so good, so let's get started. First, in a small saucepan, add the apple cider and heat it over high heat until it comes to a boil. Then once it's boiling, keep it boiling until it has reduced to 1/3 of a cup. And set it aside and let it cool. Measure out the milk in a liquid measuring cup. Then add in the apple cider vinegar and mix them together until they're combined. And then set it aside for now. And then in a medium bowl, add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. And then set it aside for now. And then in a larger bowl, add in the eggs, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat it with an electric mixer for a few minutes until it becomes really thick and light in color. Then add in the melted butter, the concentrated apple cider, and the milk that we prepared earlier, and beat them in until they're well combined. Add in the dry ingredients and mix them together until a dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a well-floured work surface and gently knead the dough just until it becomes smooth. You don't want to overwork the dough. Make sure there's enough flour underneath the dough so it doesn't stick to the countertop. And then roll it out until it's about 1/2 inch thick. And then use a cookie cutter to cut out the donut shape, making sure you dip the cookie cutter in flour each time so it doesn't stick to the dough. And then use a smaller cookie cutter to cut out the donut hole. Set aside the cut-out donuts. Gather up the remaining dough. Roll it out again, and repeat the process until all the dough is used up. Then to make the powdered sugar coating, into a sifter add the powdered sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, allspice, and cloves. Then sift all those ingredients into a medium bowl. And then whisk them too to combine them. Then pour it into a large plastic bag and set it aside for now. Then to fry the donuts, heat a large pan with about 1 inch of oil over high heat. To see if it's hot enough, just add a piece of dough into the oil. If it sizzles straight away, it's ready. Once it's ready, turn the temperature down to medium heat and work in batches and add each of the donuts into the hot oil and fry them for about 30 seconds on each side or until they turn a nice brown color. Then once they're done, remove them from the oil and place them onto a paper towel lined plates to drain any excess oil. And then continue doing that for the rest of the donuts. When the donuts are warm but not super hot, add them to the plastic bag with the powdered sugar mixture. And then shake the bag until the donuts are covered in it. And then take them out and place them onto a plate. And continue doing that for the rest of the donuts. And that's how to make apple cider donuts. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.